Cardano to $15. This prediction has the ADA army doing cartwheels. What is going on, crypto fam? It's your boy Gold Rush back with another electrifying episode of Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Today, we're strapping in for a wild ride through the Cardano cosmos with two stellar articles that have me more amped than a rocket launch. We're talking about a jaw-dropping Cardano price prediction and the massive whale activity that's fueling the fire. Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with this mind-blowing article from TechPoint Africa. The headline screams, breaking news, Cardano price prediction hints at a $15 ADA by 2025. $15 Cardano? That's enough to make anyone's heart skip a beat. The Cardano DeFi, decentralized finance sector, approaches a new record high of $700 million TVL, total value locked. That's a substantial increase from the $50 million TVL recorded in November 2022. Cardano's DeFi ecosystem is exploding. A $700 million TVL is a massive achievement, and it shows that Cardano is becoming a serious player in the DeFi space. The TVL is a crucial ecosystem health metric because it reflects the network's appeal to developers. Cardano's DeFi TVL currently accounts for roughly 1.7% of ADA's market cap. To put that into perspective, the Ethereum DeFi ecosystem represents over 16% of ETH's capitalization. Still, Cardano is making steady progress in matching the leading blockchain networks. Cardano still has some catching up to do with Ethereum, but it's clearly on the right track. The growing TVL is a sign that developers are increasingly choosing Cardano as the platform for their DeFi projects. On the other hand, Bitcoin's role remains limited to a store of value. The Bitcoin DeFi FBTCI sector has a TVL of $3.5 billion, just 1.17% of BTC's $1.85 trillion market cap. A stagnant DeFi ecosystem limits Bitcoin's potential for further growth and innovation. Pluto could change this through its hybrid layer 2 solution. Bitcoin might be the king of crypto, but it's lagging behind in the DeFi space. Cardano, on the other hand, is emerging as a DeFi powerhouse. Let's see why ADA might be targeting $15 and how Pluto Chain could resolve Bitcoin's shortcomings. Chang fork upgrade pushes ADA to $1.20. Is $15 the next target? Familiar with Cardano saw a monthly TVL growth of 233%, one of the largest in the industry. The Chang hard fork upgrade, which laid the foundation for a more decentralized and community-governed network, may have contributed to this surge. The Chang hard fork was a major upgrade for Cardano, and it's clearly paying off. The increased decentralization and community governance are making Cardano more attractive to developers and investors alike. A transparent governance structure and stronger cryptographic algorithms make Cardano more appealing to developers who want to host complex financial applications on the blockchain. Cardano is built on solid foundations. Its strong cryptography and transparent governance make it a reliable and a secure platform for DeFi applications. This upgrade, coupled with the broader post-election rally, pushed ADA's price to $1.20, a 263.7% monthly increase. Within the last 24 hours, ADA's trading volume surged by 52.91%. Cardano has been on a tear lately. A 263% monthly increase is absolutely phenomenal, and the surging trading volume suggests that the momentum is still strong. If you're bullish on Cardano, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more ADA updates. The MACD/bull run is far from over. In light of its high volatility and positive long-term moving averages, ADA might target $15 in early 2025. $15 ADA in early 2025. That's a bold prediction, but the technical indicators are certainly pointing in the right direction. But its path to a new ATH won't be straightforward. Regulatory climate, overall market sentiment, and future network updates might all act as setbacks or catalysts for growth. Namely, friendly regulatory guidelines might open the doors for institutional investors, who bring billions in capital. The crypto market is always full of surprises, but if Cardano can navigate the regulatory landscape and continue to deliver innovative upgrades, $15 ADA might not be such a far-fetched dream. Either way, Cardano's ascent highlights the increasing demand for scalable, low-fee blockchains, a segment where Bitcoin's influence used to be minimal. Cardano is filling a crucial gap in the crypto market. Its scalability and low fees make it a perfect platform for DeFi applications and everyday transactions. Now let's shift our focus to this insightful article from ambcrypto.com. The headline asks, Cardano, can $1.12 spark ADA's rebound after a 7-day dip? What is the segment? Cardano has faced some headwinds lately, but could a rebound be on the horizon? Cardano has dropped 9% this week, struggling below $1.12 resistance. However, rising whale accumulation signals the potential for a price rebound despite the declining retail activity. ADA has dropped 9% in the last 7 days. Major whales have accumulated despite the drop. Cardano has experienced a dip in price, but the whales are not backing down. They're actually accumulating more ADA, which is a bullish signal. Cardano, ADA, has had a turbulent week, losing over 9% of its value amidst broader market bearishness and a lack of significant catalyst. Despite this decline, an intriguing development has surfaced. Whale accumulation is rising. This raises a critical question. Could large investors be laying the groundwork for a price rebound? That's the million-dollar question. Are the whales seeing something that the rest of the market is missing? Price performance and technical analysis. Cardano's price performance has faced significant challenges over the past week. After multiple failed attempts to break through the $1.12 resistance level, the token now trades at $1.10, reflecting a market decline. Cardano is facing some resistance at $1.12, but is still holding above key support levels. Technical indicators show a more nuanced picture. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is at 58.66, indicating a neutral position that suggests potential momentum if buying pressure increases. Furthermore, ADA remains above its 200-day moving average, around 77 cents. Historically, this level has acted as a critical floor for bullish momentum. The technical indicators are giving us mixed signals, but the fact that ADA is holding above its 200-day moving average is a positive sign. ADA recently formed in a golden cross where the 50-day moving average crossed above the 200-day moving average. However, the failure to break resistance at $1.12 raises questions about whether the token can sustain upward movement in the short term. The golden cross is a bullish signal, but Cardano needs to break through that $1.12 resistance to really confirm the uptrend. What do you think about Cardano's potential for a rebound? Could ADA really reach $15? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow Cardano enthusiasts. Cardano whale accumulation, a potential contrarian signal. While price trends have been underwhelming, on-chain data reveals a different story. Whale accumulation has surged recently, with wallets holding between 10 million and 100 million Cardano, significantly increasing their balances. According to Sentiment, these large holders now account for one of the highest accumulation levels in recent months. This is where things get interesting. While the price is dipping, the whales are loading up on ADA. This could be a sign that they're anticipating a major rebound. Such behavior is often interpreted as a bullish signal, as whales typically accumulate during perceived market lows in anticipation of future price gains. Their actions suggest confidence in ADA's long-term potential, even as short-term price dynamics remain bearish. Exactly. The whales are often ahead of the curve, right? They could be seeing something that the rest of the market is missing. Active address trends and retail sentiment. In contrast to whale activity, retail engagement is declining. The 7-day active address count spiked significantly in late November and has since fallen to approximately 2666000. This decline indicates reduced activity from smaller investors, who have historically played a vital role in ADA's price surges. The divergence between growing whale accumulation and shrinking retail participation highlights an important shift in market dynamics. Whales may be positioning themselves for a potential recovery, while retail investors remain cautious amid broader market uncertainty. It's a classic case of smart money versus dumb money. The whales are buying while the retail investors are selling. Who do you think is going to come out ahead in the long run? What next for ADA? Cardano's current situation is a delicate balance between conflicting signals. On one hand, sustained whale accumulation could eventually spark a price rebound, especially if retail interest resurges. In this case, ADA could break through the $1.12 resistance level and potentially target $1.20 or higher. If the whales can convince the retail investors to jump back on board, we could see a massive ADA rally. On the other hand, continued lack of retail engagement and further rejections at key resistance levels might result in deeper losses. If bearish pressure persists, ADA could test the next major support level around 90 cents, a historically significant zone. There's always a risk of further decline in the crypto market, but if Cardano can hold above its key support levels, it could be poised for a major comeback. ADA's performance over the past week reflects a market at a crossroads. While the token's decline underscores the challenges of broader bearish conditions, the steady increase in whale holdings provides a glimmer of hope for a potential reversal. Whether ADA is on the brink of a rebound or faces further corrections depends on how these factors play out in the coming days. The next few days will be crucial for Cardano. If the whales can maintain their buying pressure and the retail investors regain their confidence, we could see ADA soar to new heights. So there you have it, folks. Cardano is a fascinating cryptocurrency with a lot of potential. With a bold price prediction of $15 and massive whale accumulation, ADA could be one of the biggest winners in the next bull run. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. And be sure to check out my other videos for more crypto news and analysis. Until next time, keep on stacking those sats. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency.